What is up, you guys? So right now it is Sunday. I'm gonna film a week in my life, you guys. I was gonna do like a Sunday week set, but minus what the week in my life, you guys. Today is Sunday, and I can tell you guys like already like a bunch of times. I am like I just got off a live already just a couple like an hour, two hours ago actually, and I am now going to water outside for a bit. And I am, what else I'm gonna do? I need to go back live, but actually I need to get ready and go back live because I'm going to church later on, and I think I'm gonna be pushing 2:33, like 2:30. I think today I'm gonna stay on live today. I go on live for 12:30. I might stay on back to 2 o'clock, maybe. I don't know yet because I'm going to church today later on tonight, and so I have to deal with that. And yeah, so right now I'm just finishing watering outside. I am now going on somebody else's live, planning to get an iMac inside over here, and planning to get on somebody else's live on the other phone. Hey guys, I'm literally rushing right now because like my friend is here, and I don't have my charger. I'm supposed to bring my phone charger because my phone's gonna die. I'm like 26%. But yes, we're gonna go to church. I think we might go to Target and get me stuff on money because I need it on it I need to be waking up really badly.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Okay, I made it. We just ready. Hey you guys, so right now we just got off from church. We are putting some gas, and yeah, I was just like very tired today. We had it on only, and I'm so tired, and the coffee, and I'm still tired. It's just so insane. But I feel more confident. Okay, so we just made it home. It is like 7:58. I might even go to sleep early today. I'm so tired that I might even sleep early today. It's just insane. I never sleep early. Yeah. What is up, you guys? What is up, you guys? What is up? I'm planning to clean my room, and I'm planning to do a late live session. Don't know yet because I'm supposed to be taking a break and all that kind of stuff. But I'm not gonna probably be in my regular setup. I will probably be like sitting down on my couches. So my setup is like right here. This is my regular setup every single day when I go on. Like literally, this is my setup every single day. But I'm thinking to go live today in a different setup. See if I will like my light live, like my night live. Do like a nighttime live. No. Thinking about it. Yeah, then we're gonna do a nighttime live. I decided we're gonna do a night live, but I do need to change it a little bit because usually I don't show my shoulders at the night. So give me 1 second. What is up, you guys? It is Monday, and it's like what, 9 o'clock. I have not drank any water today already. It's just kind of bad, so maybe get water. Okay, guys, so we are going to check out the new something. But yes, I am going to go with my manager, and it's 10:03. He's like 5 minutes away from me. So I won't be vlogging the rest of my phone, but obviously guys, when I get there. What is up, you guys? So it's like almost 12 o'clock already, literally almost 12 o'clock. I'm gonna drink my second Anani right now, my cotton candy one. Like, you ready for the satisfaction? I love that. That is so satisfying, and I know. What is up, you guys? I am done like almost packing. I just did grab all the picture frames, and I think the middle of the week or this weekend, I'm thinking I'm gonna pack my shoes this weekend and unset up my desk and all that stuff. What is up, you guys? It is at 9:34 in the morning. I am going to start to have to engage in other people's content today because they send me gifts. So like, let's say they send me like I have a view wishes on, and they just say if they want me to engage 5 of the posts, like we post 5 videos and like the videos, they send me that gift. So they did today. and I need to engage 5 reposts. I think I'm planning to do 10, and the next one I go on in the afternoon. So maybe 30. No, 5 is fine. But yeah. What is up, you guys? What is up? Okay, it's 2. Hold on. It is 2 or 3. I have to go live in 3, 4, like in 2 hours, 3 hours, something like that. But I am packing already for the new house. So that's what we're gonna try to do. We're gonna pack, and I will see you guys when I'm doing that. So this is that.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, live with
me. I'm planning to do a little dance video, but I don't know how to do it. This one, because I think I got it. Today's literally just content day because honestly I'm moving, all this stuff is happening, so I will not do any content right now. So I gotta do the content a lot today, so I can have enough remind me. I go back to my old videos and be like, this is my old house and I missed it, kind of thing. And I do the same thing in my other house. Also, so yes, I'm very excited to do this one. I don't know why I'm excited for it, but I am. My plan to do is right here of the car, but I'm looking for my tripod, my top tripod, and I still I found it. Like I know I left it in the basket. Okay, now let me just do this video. Hey guys, you won't believe what happened to me. Oh, you can't see it, but I will show you guys when you can see it. Okay. What's up, you guys? What is up? I finally did it. So I'm gonna download this. What is up, you guys? And you know what time is it? It's packing time. I've been packing almost. I'm just starting packing actually. I'm packing my closet right now. Oh, not my closet, but like, you know what I mean. This right here behind me. I'm just packing up like some clothing up in here that I don't usually wear. I usually only wear like shorts and.
No distractions, we'll get away. This is what we wait